Bonjour, I'm Chef Christophe. Today I need the flowers for a special Mother's Day cooking class. Voilà. Come on, let's go to the kitchen. Ready? Bonjour, today it's a very important day. We're going to make a French sponge cake for Mother's Day. But first, remember, wash your hands. Here are the ingredients for the French sponge cake. 4 chicken eggs, 125 grams of white sugar, 40 grams of plain flour to dust the tin, the cake tin, and 125 grams of plain flour for the sponge. Vanilla paste, 1 teaspoon. And 20 grams of melted butter to graze the tin, plus 60 grams to add to the fresh sponge. First of all, just break the eggs one by one using a small bowl, just to make sure there's no shell inside, and remove the eggs in a big stainless steel bowl. Now pour the sugar with the eggs. So now I will beat the eggs and sugar using a hot bain-marie. Voilà. Let's go. Five minutes later, look, beautiful, smooth, nice sponge. We just now to add the flour, the sieve flour. Okay, remove the bowl from the hot bain-marie, like this. And now we will add the flour on top of these beautiful smooth eggs. Voilà. Okay, now it's time to combine carefully the flour with the eggs and sugar, like this. Voilà. Vanilla paste. It's beautiful aroma. Combine now the vanilla with the sponge. And for the last ingredients, of course, will be melted butter. So let's do that now. So 60 grams. Voilà. I like this. So good. This is it. Let's grease this cake tin using a melted butter, and sometimes I'd like to stick a baking paper just to help to not stick. Last step, to dust the tin with plain flour. Equally, like this. Wow, superb. All right, let's cook this beautiful sponge. Remove the sponge from the bowl to the tin. Remind me of my mama to do this beautiful sponge. So now that's your turn to do that for your mama. Voilà. Now it's time to put in the oven. Now during this time, you can set a beautiful table for your mom. Come with me, that's fun. You remember the flowers we cut this morning? So you can sprinkle some on the table. Now it's ready. Wow! Ta-da! Look at this. It's beautiful. Let's put the sponge. Remove the baking paper. Use the other plate. over. Voila! Look at this. I'd like to sprinkle a little bit of icing sugar on top, just to get some decoration. Finish to decorate with this beautiful petal. Be artistic. Voilà. Et voilà, a beautiful sponge cake for Mother's Day. Oh, ma chérie, bonjour Joséphine.
Bonjour, chef.
Voilà, beautiful
It smells so
French
good.
sponge for Mother's Day.
Are you enjoying these
Oh,
classes,
this
Christophe?
is so fun. I put lots of love in. We got beautiful flowers in the garden this morning, and
Yeah, from my garden.
from your garden, and for Mother's Day, this is the best recipe, the best cake you can do for your mom.
But you know, we still miss everybody, don't we? We miss our cooking classes. We missed our live cooking
It's true.
classes. In fact, I'm thinking of beautiful Sean, who always comes with his mum every year to celebrate Mother's Day. And shout out to Carrie, happy Mother's Day from Sean and all of us here at Le Très Bon. A shout out to our mums, my mum Olympia
Ma maman, Marie-Louise.
in France, and my mum is in Queanbeyan. And yeah,
We love you so much.
miss you.
Bonne fête des mères. Happy Mother's Day.
Cheers, let's taste it.